Sometimes they put like a password on these boxes for some reason. But there we go. We're finally in here. By the way, we're going to be looking at the U1 Ultra, and this one has a very nice little colorway going on. Of course, it's going to have aluminum, a ceramic blade. Okay, that's looking interesting. We got a read me note right there. Take a look in case you're interested. Feel free to pause. This is not intended for food preparation. That is good to know. I was about to prepare my food with this tiny utility blade here. Now in the box we have a couple of goodies here. All right, here we go. That's everything. So of course we have, a spare blade. That's nice. I think before they were not including a spare ceramic blade, but now they are. That's good to see. Of course, we got the very handy little pry bar mini tool here with like a flat head screwdriver there. Can also be, of course, a pry bar. This can be a bottle opener. Then we have, of course, a little bolt, a little nut tool right here with a different teeth on both sides. You can adjust nuts of different sizes. And yeah, overall very handy, very lightweight, easy to carry. But of course, here is the knife itself. Let's take a look. All right, it's got some pink, it's got some blue going on. All right, I don't think the box picture did it justice. It's definitely some very bright pink here with the sort of blue splash of color going on there. Right, and we have featured this one in the channel before, the U1 Ultra. Check out other videos if you haven't already. But this, basically in a nutshell, it is a plunge lock button lock. Right, we got the button operation there, and we have a back flipper here with good jimping, thumb stud deployment, so at least 4 different ways of deploying this bad boy. And check this out, right? We got a black, yep, definitely a black ceramic blade on this one, as compared to the white ones that we saw on those other models that we checked out here, maybe what, a month and a half ago. So that's interesting to see that they can do the ceramic ones in different colorways. And one thing is for sure, this ceramic, this got to be one of the sharpest, absolutely sharpest blades I've ever seen. Sharper than some of the steel blades I have featured here in this channel, period, right? This ceramic stuff, I think this is the future. I don't know what it is that makes them so razor sharp, but they absolutely perform. I mean, not to mention a good old utility knife. I mean, this is great for not really intimidating non-knife people, right? Like if you carry something like this at the office or what have you, or even if you have local laws that prevent you from carrying a certain length knife blade on yourself, something like this is a little bit, less attention calling to yourself, right? People wouldn't be intimidated to it as much. And of course, it's going to be very fidget friendly, very lightweight with the aluminum and all. Great ergos here, multiple different ways to grip. We can do the hammer grip, which kind of leaves the pinky out here. And I would rather just forward choke. I got a little bit of an option up here to forward choke and get some work done. I'll tell you, when it comes to trash day, these things absolutely perform, destroying cardboard boxes left and right. And of course, like a little nice Amazon package opener as well. Right, definitely fits the bill there. We got a deep pocket carry clip, which is non-reversible for some reason. Kind of seems like a missed opportunity. Right, lefties would have been able to enjoy this one just as well. But other than that, I mean, the quality, the construction, the overall build quality is really good with something like this from OKNIFE. I've checked out previous models before. I've had a great experience with them. As a matter of fact, here is the regular U1, right? And this one has the, of course, steel utility blade. This one has seen a little bit of use. It has a G10 handle with the sprinkles going on there. The pink doesn't necessarily pop as much as this one here in aluminum. My wife, I gotta tell you, she's been eyeing this one for quite some time. And of course, I got the U1 Pro. I did gift this one to her because, yeah, she really likes this one. It's a little bit of a larger handle. On the Pro, we can get a full 4-finger grip and still forward choke, so a larger handle real estate. It is a crossbar lock on these. Right, come to think about it, right? These are crossbar locks, whereas this one is a plunge lock button lock. And of course, with the Pro, you have the little screwdriver bit back here, right, which is very nice. It's also button locking as well, and you have a Phillips and a flathead bit right there. You can easily swap. So yeah, the Pro is really nice for that additional feature. So not only are you carrying a utility knife, you also have a little bit driver back there with Phillips and a flathead. Now these are going to be available in many different colorways, so don't worry if hot pink is not your cup of tea. That is all right. They have many other colorways to choose from. I promise you, there's chances are you're going to find something that you really like. And for this small form factor, right, and a nice little utility blade built solution here, right, from OKNIFE, absolutely will be money well spent. Links on below. And again, you have different models to choose from. If you want a crossbar lock, if you want an additional screwdriver solution as well, if you want the aluminum construction, I mean, you absolutely got plenty of options to choose from them. You cannot go wrong with either one.